Please look at Nana. Next concept Nana, acceleration of particle in SHM. Please look here. Acceleration of a particle in SHM. In the situation, please look here now. We know that velocity of particle in SHM is omega A cos omega t, equation number 1. In the situation, acceleration definition is Junaid, rate of change of velocity. Its meaning is simply differentiating with respect to time. Here d by dt of v write as omega a cos omega t. V value I substitute. Okay, Nana, V value I substitute. In the situation, acceleration is constant term right outside, omega outside, A outside. Cos differentiation is minus sin omega t into. Here inside also we apply differentiation. Omega is constant outside, right? D by dt of t. dt cancel. Once again I repeat. Cos differentiation minus sin. Inside differentiation. Omega right outside dt. Finally we write minus omega into omega square A sin omega t. Here A sin omega t write as y. We know that. Simply this is the formula for acceleration of the particle is in SHM. Acceleration of the particle is in SHM. Please look at Nana. Please look at all of you. Actually, look here. Acceleration of the particle is in SHM. In the simple pendulum, this is the mean position. This is the extreme position. Mean means starting. Simply displacement is 0. Extreme means displacement becomes maximum. That is denoted by amplitude. Here our question is acceleration discussion. Here y putting 0, a value 0. Simply acceleration 0 at mean position. Here A is putting y value A. This is acceleration formula at extreme position. This minus indicate acceleration displacement in opposite direction. Negative indicate only direction. We take magnitude, A value is omega square A. Yet mean acceleration 0. Yet extreme acceleration is omega square A. This is called maximum acceleration. Equation number 6. What is the formula for maximum acceleration? Omega square A. What is the formula for maximum acceleration? Omega square A. Where the acceleration is maximum, at extreme position. where acceleration is minimum at mean position. Please look at where acceleration is maximum at extreme position, where acceleration is minimum at mean position. Please identify. Okay, next Nana, maximum acceleration formula omega square a. Please look at, in the situation acceleration of the particle is minus omega square y. Here a indicate acceleration of the particle, y indicate displacement of the particle. Here graph is drawn between acceleration taken as y axis, displacement taken as x-axis. Here a directly proportional to y. Its meaning is y-axis directly proportional to x-axis minus omega square. Simply look here. A can be taken as y-axis, displacement taken as x-axis. This is y equal to minus mx. In the mathematics, y equal to minus mx. In the mathematics, this is the slope equation. This is the shape of the graph now. This angle is theta. According to theta, easily determine tan theta. Tan means opposite side. This opposite side parallel to y-axis A. Adjacent side parallel to x-axis. X-axis physical quantity is y. In the situation, tan theta is a by y. A by y write as omega square. Simply here tan theta nothing but the slope. Slope directly give omega square. Simply Nana, tan theta value is omega square. ORR slope value is omega square. Vama Satyakumar, please pay 0 bed going. Venkatu 0 bed going babu. అంతే వదిలేనా కట్టుకోవద్దు మంచి బంగారు గోల్డ్ వేసుకున్నాం తమ్ముడా బాయ్ క్లాస్ నెంబర్ వచ్చావు సర్లే కానీ ఓకేనా మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను నేను మాట్లాడాడు కూర్చో. స్లోప్ ఈజ్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ నని. ఓకే ఓకే AY graph completed. Next nana, I discuss AV graph. Very important notice nana. AV graph nana. AV graph. What is the AV graph? Please look here nana. Please look here. What is the AV graph? Please look at. Next graph name AV graph. What is the velocity of particle in SHM? Omega under root a square minus y square. Okay? In that situation, squaring on both sides. V square write as let the V write as చూడండి under root a let the triangle squaring v square omega square a square minus y square root will be cancelled. Acceleration of the particle in SHM is a equal to omega square y. Here v square equal to omega square a square. What is the y square here? A square by omega power 4. A square by omega power 4. Here inside write v square equal to omega square a square by omega power 4. Neatly write as v square equal to omega square a square minus a square by omega square. A square by omega square. In the situation, please look at minus other side plus v square plus chapalana a square omega square. Right side omega square a square. Numerator other side denominator. Neatly write as v square by omega square a square by omega power 4 a square. Please look at. Okay na? Right side equal to 1. Any problem? Here nana the graph is AV graph nana. AV graph. A taken as y axis, V taken as x axis. In the equation I write, please look here. Acceleration taken as y axis, y square by b square plus v taken as x axis, x square by a square equal to 1. In the previous I discussed x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In the situation, the graph shape is ellipse. This is called length of the semi-major axis. Simply look here all of you. Nana, velocity taken as x-axis, x square by a square. A value is omega a. Here length of the semi-major axis indicate maximum velocity. AV graph. Mari idi nana, this is called b. B value is b square value omega power 4 a square. B value is omega square a. It get a maximum. Simply the graph is AV graph. This length indicate maximum acceleration. This length indicate maximum velocity. In the ಮುಂದೆ the graph is VY graph nan. Please look at VY graph. Please look at. In the VY graph, this indicate maximum velocity. This indicate maximum displacement, that is called amplitude. Please look here. This is called maximum velocity. This is called maximum displacement. Please look here all of you. Look here all of you again, I repeat. Please look here all of you. YV graph. In the YV graph, this is called maximum velocity, A omega. This is called maximum displacement, that is amplitude. Please look at it. Last topic, Nana, listen carefully. Generally, this is the pendulum, Nana. Pendulum is pulled a side. Left to free, Nana. Please look here. Pendulum pulled a side. Pendulum pulled a side and left to free. What happens? It will be oscillate to and fro, to fro, about a mean position taha. This is called positive extreme. This is called negative extreme. Here to here of oscillation. Here to here of oscillation. Time period is time taken to complete one oscillation. One oscillation means extreme to extreme, again extreme to extreme. Starting, ending, same. This is called one oscillation. Time period definition is time taken to complete one oscillation, that is denoted by capital T. Okay, Nana? Time taken to complete one oscillation is called as time period. Generally, angular velocity definition. Velocity, displacement by time. Angular velocity, angular displacement by time. Look here. Omega. Time taken to complete one oscillation, that is called time period. Time period. Okay? Nana, this also explained by using reference circle. This is the reference circle. Please look at it. For example, particle here starts, here end. This is one rotation. The time is called time period. One rotation means theta value 360. That right as 2 pi. According to this situation, time period formula is 2 pi by omega. Very important notice. What is the time period of the particle in SHM? Time period formula is 2 pi by omega. Okay? Bye, Nana, all of you.